Hey guys, welcome to All About WordPress. Today I'll be showing you how to install and activate AfterShip WooCommerce plugin. So this plugin is basically used for WooCommerce order tracking, and I'll just show you the website as well. So it says it's number one tracking solution for e-commerce business, and there are a couple of features which are very interesting. Before going to that, I'll just tell you that this plugin is absolutely free and you can just start using on your WooCommerce uh, dashboard or WooCommerce website without any delay. So you can see in the pricing plan you have 50 shipment each month for free plan. So you can easily make use of this. After that, according to your essential whatever purpose is there, you can actually choose one of the plan from this list and go ahead. Yeah, so that is it about. I'll show you how to use this plugin, how to install this. So let me go to the plugin section. I'll click on add new. This section will show me the plugins, and I can search for AfterShip here. Yeah, so I can install this plugin now. It has 5-star rating and 20,000 plus active installations. Yes, so it's installed, and now click on activate. Yes, once it's activated you will be able to see your plugin here. So it comes in the installed plugin section. You will have to now go and check out WooCommerce and orders, because the tracking plugin is used after ordering the product. So go to WooCommerce and then orders. So here are few sample orders which I have set up for this website. To check if AfterShip plugin has installed and activated, just click on one order and you can see there is a tab here. So I have installed this plugin multiple times, and again I'm installing this for the purpose of this tutorial. So that is why I'm able to get it here. Sometimes you might not get this tab directly on your WordPress dashboard. Do not worry, you can use the settings. You will get this AfterShip option here. Go to that. This is the same thing what you get over here on the orders. Let me just take you through that. So you can see this tab has update career list. You can click on this and yes, you're on the same page. Anyways, to get that tab over there, you need to go to users and your profile. So on your profile, just keep scrolling down. You will see AfterShip WordPress API key. Okay, before getting into this, just remember about this key, and I'll show you how to set up your AfterShip dashboard. Okay, so now you can sign in for free. Click on sign in and you can use your Google email for signing it up. So once you log in, you will be taken to the AfterShip dashboard where you can sync your WooCommerce website and track all your packages. Even it will be helpful for your customers to track their product easily. So AfterShip has a lot of plugins, and let us go to these plugins later on in a separate video. You will get complete control over your tracking and shipment. So just to sync it up with your WooCommerce store, you need to go to apps. So you will find all the platforms which supports AfterShip here in this page. So I can see WooCommerce here. Click on WooCommerce. You need to add your store URL and API key. So the store URL, I'll be adding it here, and for the API key, go back to your dashboard and yes, go to users, your profile. So your profile, and when you scroll down, you will see a API key here. You need to copy it and come back, paste it over here. And in case if you have any doubt, there is a link here. It says how to find AfterShip's WordPress API key. It says where to go and copy it. Same thing, connect it. So yeah, I had connected the store already once, so it says the store is already connected, or else it will say that it is connected. And to see the status, just to know if it is connected or not, this is the place. So the status says it's connected, and yes, it is done. So I'll just check what use product is. Yes, so the dashboard is ready. Now, as I told you before, I was facing an issue on my order page in getting AfterShip tab. So after doing this setup by adding API key onto the dashboard, I was able to see the AfterShip tab on right side of my dashboard. So in case if you don't get it in the initial installation part, do not worry, just do this step and you will be getting it. So now I can update my carrier list. As you can see here, the plugin is AfterShip. I told you AfterShip has a lot of other plugins also, but so here we have taken AfterShip, and you can accordingly add your carrier services, whichever services you prefer. If it is FedEx, you will be getting it here. If you want UPS, yes, everything is here. It's according to your service planning. And yes, so this is the content, the message your customers will be getting. Your order was shipped via whichever courier services, and the tracking number which a particular order will be getting. Yes, so this is the demo of the text your customer will be getting. Now you have to save the changes. Yes, now you're good to go. Just have to, I'll do one thing, I'll make a new order on the website. Yes, so to create the new order, I'm going to my shop. I'll select any product from here. Let it be this. Go to my cart. Oh, so in my cart already one item is there. So I just have to do one thing. I just have to check it out. Proceed to check out. You will have to add all the details here, the address and the shipment details. I'm selecting cash on delivery, and yes, place order. Okay, so the order is received, and further we'll see it in our dashboard. I'm going to WooCommerce and orders again, clicking on the order. Yes, so you can select your carrier service here, and the tracking ID you will be getting it from the dashboard. I'll show you how. So on the shipment, you can see I have made this order, and from here you can copy this tracking ID and paste it right here, and just click on update. So after this, let us go to our website and check if we can track the shipment. I'll go to my accounts, orders. I'll just view this order, and yes, it says your order was shipped via blue dot. Tracking number is so and so, and I have a track button. click on track. You'll see the tracking ID will be given here. You just have to choose the service whichever you had given there. Blue dot, track. AfterShip will show the package status. Your customer will be able to see it exactly like this. Yeah, so I hope this video was clear enough to set up your WooCommerce tracking plugin. If there is any doubt or query regarding this plugin, you can comment below. We will try to respond to it as soon as possible. Thank you.